Hey fishing rats, welcome back to the channel. I'm out here on a trout stream again and I got a new purchase. Got some Compass 360 waders. So totally changes the game. I can get in the river and cast at different angles. I got a box of lures and I got my pliers and I got a new trout net in case I get a big one. This should be able to hold them. Little fraybill trout net. Got my rod over there rigged up with the yellow rooster tail. Let's get some trout. Oh wow, this is weird. Never done this before, but this is cool. I'm in the water, knee deep. Just don't want to get stuck. I'm the only person out here. I'm gonna try to get my spinner under this little brush pile. Oh crap. So other than me getting the new waders and the new net, the other reason I wanted to come out here and fish for trout was the last 2 days it was 82 degrees and then 77 degrees, and today it's about 55 degrees, and it thunderstormed last night and it's cold. Rumor has it the trout love cold water, cold weather, so I came out here in search of some trout. I think I'm gonna get one, plus I got my new waders and I'm on the other side of the river, so I'm fishing a new area. This is awesome. If you're trout fishing and you see a big log jam, just know there's trout under there. Sometimes you can get to them, other times there's so many sticks it's pretty much impossible, but you can just cast and then try to move it along the edge and hold it in the current, see if something comes out. Just be careful. I've lost many lures doing this. Sometimes I let it sink all the way back in there and I lift it up in the current. Just kind of jig around in there. Try to maneuver it between the sticks. It's about the best I can do, so I'm moving. Look at that catch. Nice. Little update, fishing rats. I've been fishing for a while. I mean, these waders are awesome. I've yet to use the net, but I'm at some new stretches of the river. Just haven't had any bites. But I'm not giving up. Sticking to it. I'm gonna keep moving up. Find a perfect area. I know something will bite. The weather's too good. Cold weather, cold river. Got a good feeling still. Not giving up. I just stepped down into a quicksand, so I got a stick with me now. Oh yeah, I'm getting stuck. I don't want to die out here today. Oh my gosh, that's... Yeah, I'm stuck. The things I'll do to catch a trout. Just call me Swamp Man. Goodness, this is getting thicker as I go further in. I better catch trout. I'm going to try to get it along that bank on the right side. Oh yeah. Oh, he just jumped. He just jumped. Oh my God. And he's stuck in the tree. He jumped clear out of the water. It's a brown trout. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck on a tree. And he's still on. I'm gonna, come on baby, stay on please. Yep. Oh, he's going nuts. Okay, what do I do? Bring him this way. Oh my Lord. Okay. Come on, baby. Yep. Ow. New net, new waders, new way of fishing. You wouldn't believe how high he jumped out of the water. I don't know if I got it on camera because my body was turned when I was reeling. Get this guy unhooked. Oh yeah. Yes, that's awesome. All right, so sweet. All right, I got him unhooked. I actually had to cut my line. My lure's still stuck in the net, but he's all right. So let's take a look at him. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Awesome brown trout. Well, the new waders, the new net, it's all worth it from this fish. And I couldn't believe how high he jumped out of the water. I hope I got it on camera. Thanks, buddy, for biting. And now I'll send you back home. All right, I'm gonna let this guy go. Beautiful fish and an awesome fight. These trout are so spunky. They're crazy. That's why I like fishing for them. Whoa. Don't worry, bud, I'll let you go. Well guys, I got retied. Still have my yellow spinner on, yellow and orange. Well, gotta thank my dad for buying the waders. This is an early birthday present and it got put to use today. And I've had them for about 1 hour. Let's get another one. I just cast it off my blade. The little spinner thing broke. Time to tie on another one. Alright, so I'm going to still keep this just so I can have that hook if I need to replace a hook sometime. Since I was casting a yellow bright color, I'm going to throw this darker color. Joe actually bought this for me because he owed me a spinner. So we'll see if this little black rooster tail can perform. Oh yeah. What are you? Oh, he's doing the tail flap. It's a little brown. All right, another one. I'll get this little guy unhooked and back into his home. Oh, he unhooked himself. Look at that. Little baby guy. Cool. Nice red dots. Sweetness. The Frable net and the waders paid off for 2 nice browns. Alright, so this guy bit the little black and silver rooster tail thanks to Joe for replacing the one that he lost. Joe, you just let me catch a brown trout with this one. Nice color, I like it. And so did this little brown trout that I'm gonna let go. Sitting in my net reviving. One more look at him. Awesome colors. Trout, I think I love the patterns of trout the most out of all species. Well, tiger muskies are pretty cool. Alright, let's see if I can... Goodbye. I'm gonna dunk my feet to clean them off. Get these cleaned off because I don't want to do that when I get home. I'll let Mother Nature clean my boots. And I'll get a cast up. Little security cast, never hurt. It's just a problem when you do 15 or 20 or 25 of them and then you're missing dinners and missing weddings because of your security casts. Kind of like grumpier old men. Gotta go for catfish, Hunter. Rats. We're wrapping it up. I'm doing my outro in a tree and I'm tangled. That's what I get. But just want to say thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on any of the future scouting sessions. We're going to be going for muskies and northern and walleye and largemouth bass, smallmouth bass. I post a video every week. Most times I post it Friday afternoon. Just want to do a little shout out to my dad for giving me these waders for an early birthday present. Already put them to good use. I've had them for about 3 hours. Landed 2 trout. One was pretty good size. The other was a baby. And I guess until next time, fishing rats, we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh, yep, he just hit. Oh, we got out, motherfucker. He just jumped. Oh my God. And he's stuck in the tree. He jumped clear out of the water. It's a brown trout. Oh no. Are you kidding me?